taking an hour ride on the gospel train with your host, Lady Wanda K. Don't touch that dial. Thank you for coming aboard the gospel train today for this memorial show in the memory of my close cousin, best friend, little brother, Chauncey Northington. In the memory of Chauncey Northington for his birthday. He would have been celebrating a birthday on June 22nd. Born in 1974. And he left this world to go with the Lord on November 25th, 2015. But today I want to do something special for his birthday. I'll be playing the music of the family group he sung with, featuring with his father, Abby Northington, his late grandfather, Pearlie Northington Sr., for he started out with them at age 2, standing up there in a tuxedo and lasted singing until the day that he left this world. But coming up first is a song from his late grandfather, Pearlie Northington Sr., No Time To Tarry, on the gospel train with Lady Wanda K. Happy birthday, cuz. Early birthday. You're taking an hour ride on the gospel train with your host, Lady Wanda K. Don't touch that dial. Again, that was No Time To Tarry, featuring his late grandfather, Pearlie Northington Sr., with the fantastic Northington Singers. He started out with them at age 2, and I was there to remember it. I remember seeing him always standing there in that tuxedo, dressed like the Northington Singers. Here it is, a song that when I first heard him sing, knowing that he can hit those notes. Here's Rest Beyond the River. Uncle Pearlie always used to give him that mic for that last go round after his uncle Pluke. Here's Rest Beyond the River. You're taking an hour ride on the gospel train with your host, Lady Wanda K. Don't touch that dial.
I don't mind my pitfalls, cause I know Jesus is waiting right there to pick me up. Turn me around. I'm not worried about it, cause I know when I get down by the river, right? Oh yeah. But a minute time I've been scandalized. Right? Oh yeah. But a minute time I've been criticized. Right?
There it is. He used to hit that note last at age, I believe, 3 or 4.
Good God Almighty. Feel all right now. Feel all right. Feel all right. Yeah. Can't wait. Can't wait till that day. Fold my arms. Walk down by the river. And get my right.
Of the VSC Quartet Show on VSC Christian Internet Radio, and you're listening to the Gospel Train with Lady Wanda K.
Somebody always said it's low. You see, I would like somebody out in the world.
And there you have it, Rest Beyond the River. Led by my uncle and his grandfather, the late Pearlie Northington Sr. I remember those days with us standing in the living room on Jefferson Avenue, pretending to sing through the mics. I don't know if Uncle Pearlie knew that we was playing with those mics or not, but that's when we had our first and only and last fight with a mic fight. I hit that head and then he hit me back and went to work. But I remember, but thank God that was the last fight. We never fought again. Here it is with him singing This is the late Pearlie Northington Sr., his grandfather, which said he would move. I remember he took over this song. Before he left this world, he was singing Said He Would Move. Here's Said He Would Move by the Northington Singers in the memory of Chauncey Northington's birthday. June 22nd would have been his birthday. Here's Said He Would Move.
Jesus said if I would live right. Oh, he said, yes, he did. If I would live right. My father, he said, sure done said, if I would live right. Said he would make my all of my enemies leave me alone. One more thing he said, yes he did. Said if I would hold to his hand. He said, sure enough he did. Said if I would hold to his hand. My father done said, yes he did. If I would hold to his hand. Said he would move every hand of move them all out from the land. You know what? Said he would move.
You're taking an hour ride on the gospel train with your host, Lady Wanda K. Don't touch that dial.
You may be worried today, but all you got to do is to call on Jesus. Somebody may be all alone this year, but all you got to do is to tell him, say, I call you Jesus. Call you 'cause I'm weak, Lord. Oh, good God Almighty. I know you will. I know you said you would. Oh, Lord. I found out just one thing. He'll move it. He'll move it. He will move it. He'll move it. Jesus will. He'll move it. I know he will. He'll move it. He'll move it. He'll move it. He will move it. He'll move it. Trouble in your home. He'll move it. God will. He'll move it. He'll move it. Move it. Move it, Lord. Let me go. Keep on waiting. Keep on waiting. And here's what Jesus watching. I keep on waiting. Keep on waiting. Jesus is watching. Jesus watching. Let me call him, son. Call. Help me, Lord. Help me. Help me, Lord. Help me. Help me, Lord. Help me, Lord. Why don't you help me, Lord? Help me. Help me, Lord. Help me, Lord. Help me. 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 He saved me. God raised me. He saved me. He saved me. God saved me. Saved me. I'm alone. He saved me.
And there you have it, Said He Would Move. Led by his late grandfather, Pearlie Northington Sr., with the fantastic Northington Singers. Again, he started singing that song before he left this world. And I always will remember after he finished it, he would end it with slogan and a theme: without